Hello and welcome to another walk around video with us here at Subaru Saskatoon, located at 471 Circle Place. Today we are looking at a 2011 Nissan JUKE SL in red. This JUKE sits on 17-inch wheels and has seating for 5. For the lighting, there are halogen headlights and fog lights. Under the hood of the JUKE SL is a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that provides 188 horsepower, paired with Nissan's Xtronic CVT that provides an eco and sport drive mode and all-wheel drive. Inside the driver's door are the window and lock controls. Taking a look inside, the seating includes black leather and heated front seats and a sunroof. On the left side of the steering wheel are the Bluetooth and radio controls, and the cruise control features on the right. Moving over to the center dash is a 5-inch infotainment screen that displays the backup camera, climate controls, USB and auxiliary ports. Taking a look at the rear seating, you have a 60-40 split bench seat. And a quick look in the trunk with the rear seats down provides a good amount of space for hauling and a spare tire. Thanks again for watching another review with us at Subaru Saskatoon. Stop by or give us a call and set up a test drive with our sales team today.